Hello guys, this is Naveed. I'm here to show you BenQ new model Full HD. The model is MH560. Also they launched this MX560. This one is 1024 by 768 resolution and 4000 lumens. The same here is resolution is 1920 into 1080p, and this is model here is MH560. This is Full HD, that is can say HD. And here they give inputs in the projector that has a HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. Mostly nowadays everyone using HDMI, you know that. Before people they use PC, but no one. Here is HDMI, and this one is USB 1.5 voltage power adapter. You can use here power. If you have any MI dongle, you can put HDMI, and other side you can give power to MI dongle. You don't need to go for a separate power. So once you put that dongle, you can connect your projector with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, Netflix, everything. This projector here is working MX560. It's very good quality. It has 4000 lumens, you know, as before I tell you. 4000 lumens is very good quality, giving okay. And then if you go for like 150 inch, you can go for 150 inch, same quality you will get. But here is lot of lights, as you can see. Lights is too much in the home, nobody keep lights that much. So when you connect here is dongle MI or anything else, that dongle can give you Wi-Fi, YouTube, Netflix. In built-in you can put some channels also, like Beansport, OS, and whatever you like. So this is the new model they launch. I show you here. You can keep on the table also. Example, if you keep on table, you don't need any technician to come in home and install the projector. Just give the power cable and HDMI cable through laptop or receiver, you can use directly. And there is little bit setting which you can go aspect ratio. Normally people they use here 4:3 or 16:9. So you can adjust from the setting, you can watch directly. If you install up on ceiling, that is the mounts come. I am sure that if you fix this, you can do it. If you go for technician, he only put 4 screw, he can hang for you after. There is screen, we have 100-inch screen, you can get anywhere 100-inch screen, 120-inch screen, and 150-inch screens. And also they have electric 200-inch screen, you can get anywhere. So this projector can give up to 200-inch screen.